Hello, I have like the weirdest hiccups ever. I think they're gone. The frogs are gone, I think so. I think the video scared them away. Okay. Well, this is my weird hiccups. And so, oh, thanks for watching. Bye.